So today we're making new sashes here. These ones are buggered. They may not look like it, but underneath the paint they're in absolute rag order. So that's arch tops that we'll be needing to make. That's the top sash, and then the bottom sash is there. So the first thing we need is timber. So we're going to be using Meranti, which is that reddish looking wood, pinkish looking wood, whichever colour you like. So once we've done that, we will cut them all to size. Right, now we've roughed them out. So there we have what's going to become the bottom sash, and there we have what is going to become the top sash. These have all been cut to the right lengths, but they're far too thick. The sashes are 40mm thick, and this is round about 44mm thick. So we've got to take them all down so that they are the right thickness, and then we can start doing all of the interesting stuff. Having trimmed them down to 40mm, we now have to put the rebates in for the glass. And the way I do it is I do it on the table saw, and the depth is approximately 15mm deep by approximately 6mm wide, and I'll show you that now. So that's all the rebates cut for the glass. So now we're getting a bit closer. There you can see I've got this the wrong way around. So they're mortised in at the top, they're mortised in at the bottom. Yeah. So there we have the outline of it. Everything's mortised in. So that's the meeting rail. Those are the left and right stiles, and that is the head before we shape it. So there we have it now. There's the head, all routed out. Yeah. All ready for the glass to go in. Turn that up. You can see we just need to polish things up a little bit and give it a coating of preservative, and the job will be done. Our job will be anyway. On the sides we've got a track for the draft stripping, and of course a track for the rope. Everything ready. Tomorrow morning we put it in. So today we're putting the sashes that we made yesterday in. So we've taken out the pulleys, and we're now going to put the new pulleys in. Now the new pulleys are slightly larger than the old pulleys, so we've got to cut those openings out. Right, we're now in the process of roping up. We put the sash cord through, the first weight is in. I'm just about to do the second weight, and then the top sash can go in.